Located in the heart of the Greenbrier Resort, adjacent to the iconic Spring House, the Spring Row Cottages are now available for purchase and provide the perfect opportunity to make America's resort your personal playground. Part of the new Greenbrier Legacy Club, these comfortable cottages have been completely redesigned by the experts at Greenbrier Interiors. Reimagined layouts feature beautifully stylish kitchens that are perfect for entertaining and peaceful front porches with incredible views over the Greenbrier's legendary grounds. Owners become members of the Greenbrier Legacy Club. This offers unmatched amenities, including complimentary and unlimited use of the Greenbrier's 4 world-renowned golf courses, as well as tennis, pickleball, fitness and fishing facilities, and the Greenbrier Clinic's concierge medicine program. Members are eligible for the Greenbrier's optional hotel rental management program, generating rental income for owners when they are not in residence. To learn more about ownership, club benefits and amenities, visit greenbrierlegacyclub.com or stop by the Legacy Club Gallery in the retail corridor of the Greenbrier.